they used to have houses. Like for example, in a house, used to live almost 5 families. 5 families, like millions.
And the roof is like this?
Yeah, they're gonna live in that way. This way.
Oh.
No more. They're just gonna put the
So this costs $12,000 to buy one.
$12,000.
It'd be good if they put insulation up there.
It would be good, but it's
No.
expensive back then.
Okay,
They're
so
not
it's
gonna
like a bathroom, shower. Okay, I see. And tiles. Okay, and a little. So it's like a 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom,
2 bedrooms, one
and
dinner room,
and a kitchen.
and a kitchen.
So you know how things work. I'm just with Brian. I'm wearing his hat because my nose is so burnt from that beach the other day. But I was going to these guys because I thought, like, I've been hemorrhaging money for so long that I need to get some sort of work and earn some income. I didn't realize in their real estate that they're actually involved in this groups building all these little houses. This is going to be offered to poor people, and that they can live, they can buy this, and then they pay it off at about $60 a month. It's really fantastic, and it's just really, that's where my heart is. So I think it's so great to see that they're doing that. And this is how many families, Brian?
120.
120 families are going to have a house who really were living in, I guess, substandard housing. So it's great to see. In El Salvador, stepping up, President Bukele is doing well. We're happy. Look at that, and Brian's got the one up the top here, and it's fantastic.
Yeah.
I like it. I think he's got the best one. If I was gonna get one, I'm gonna get that one.
Yeah.
The breeze is much cooler up the top than when you get down here. Buenas. Oh, mango, that's good.
Pues,
You got a mango? Mango?
mango
No.
solo así.
What's this one?
Se lleva sandía, melón y piña.
Alright, give me this one. It's okay. Oh, yeah. Gracias. Oh man, I gotta get a mango off here too. Gracias.
Bueno, que le vaya bien, que Dios le bendiga.
No speak Spanish. Just I eat it.
El que usted quiera.
Gracias. Oh yeah. Wow, look at that, man. Look at that view, guys. Buenas. Wow, look at that. Mirador turístico Paseo del Café. It's all in Spanish. Oh no. I'm so thirsty, man. Don't you love the motorbike, eh? So, what I've got to say about that ride. One, the motorbike. I need a 250 minimum. I don't have any power. I have to floor. I just got it completely locked on full power when I'm overtaking everything. But in terms of the road, once I got out of El Salvador, that was excellent. Especially this mountain road looks beautiful. Look at the road. I mean, that looks good. Really smooth. And whatever that freeway or highway or whatever that one road I was on, that was beautiful. Just like very, like, nice little curvature to it. Not too sharp. Perfect for a motorbike. Like, if you had a bike with, if I had my Kawasaki from a few years ago, 400, yeah, that was beautiful. If you had a touring bike, it would be fantastic. First thing I can tell here is the air is so fresh and it's got a nice smell in the air. And the crazy thing was, I kept smelling gum trees, and there was gum trees along the way. How did they get here? It's a native to Australia, I'm positive of that. And I'm like, well, we're going to a property where the guy's helping people in El Salvador and raising money and helping poor people, which is good. That's all I got to say. But this is Murph's life. He's doing an incredible job helping people, building houses. Look what he's doing here. That's fantastic. Wow. Look at this. That is spectacular. Look at this. Whoa, be careful. Be careful, guys. Wow, look at that. And there's a volcano. Check this out. That is brilliant. Unbelievable.
This is where we were watering today.
Yeah, we were watering all this area this morning.
Oh, look at that. This is the garden. Beautiful.
Pretty rad. Our first little bit of help.